Hey there all you random YouTube viewers. So I think it's fair to say that this has been quite a year. I haven't made a whole lot of videos this year. Pretty sure the last time I did my intro was in March. Whoops. But I'm just gonna blame it on COVID. So hopefully to get me back on track with making YouTube videos, I bought myself a new microphone. It is the Deity VMic D3, but not the Pro, because I couldn't be bothered to pay for it. This came in at about $150 on Amazon, so I think it's pretty good, but I haven't really fiddled around with it that much. I have opened it before. I tried it out a little bit, but not too much. So I guess we're gonna figure out what it sounds like together, okay? Also, I forget most of the technical jargon that I learned in university from my audio class, so this is gonna be a very non-technical review of the microphone. Right now I'm using the camera audio. It is my Canon Rebel T6i, and then I will throw on this microphone so that you can hear the difference. Right now the audio settings are on auto. I will also put the audio settings on auto when I plug in the microphone, but I already know that it'll be too loud, so then I will adjust that after, but I'll let you know when that happens. I should say that I'm pretty sure some reviews online said that it doesn't come with a dead cap, but I got one, so I'm confused but happy. But I'm not going to say that it definitely comes with that because I'm not sure if it was supposed to. So this is what you see when you open the package. There's the microphone, the battery, and the wire is pretty simple, which is great because I don't want anything more complicated than this at the moment. So once you take off this is what the microphone looks like. It's pretty simple. You've got the battery compartment up here. It takes one battery. And then you have the power indicator, which will glow green when it's on. So that's it. There's nothing else. You don't have to do anything else with it. You plug it in and it should work. A thing that a lot of people like is that this moves so that when it's sitting on the camera, it doesn't just get in your way. So that's a plus. But yeah, there's not a whole lot that I can tell you about using it. It's very simple. It's a very simple microphone, which is great for me because honestly, after this year, I don't want more complexity. Okay, so now I've put the microphone on my camera. It is on. I'm about 2.5 feet away from the camera, and I already know that using the auto settings on my camera with this microphone is a bad idea. It probably sounds absolutely terrible, but I will fix the settings in a bit. I just wanted you guys to know that without changing anything, this is what happens with it. So I'm gonna go into my camera and bring down all of the sound settings manually, and then hopefully we'll get a better sound from this microphone. Okay, so now I have fiddled around with the settings in my camera. I am still about, I don't know, 2.5 feet away. I'm gonna be honest, I don't measure things in feet. I don't know why I'm doing it now, but I guess I'm gonna keep rolling with it. So now I'm just gonna roam around the camera so that you can hear what it sounds like from the various sides. Okay, so now I think I am about the same distance away, just on the side, which is about 2.5, 3 feet. Again, I don't measure in feet, so I don't know why I've done this to myself, and I'm just gonna slowly back away. I don't know what I'm gonna talk to you guys about. Maybe I'll talk to you guys about the fact that I didn't see what the camera was focused on before I walked away from it. I think I'm about 10 feet away now. I don't think I have raised my volume of my actual voice that much. I think it's pretty consistent. And now I'm going to walk around to the back of the camera. Okay, so now I'm about 2 to 3 feet away from the back of the camera, and I'm going to steadily start backing up, and I guess I should have thought about what I was going to say beforehand, but what pre-thinking things in 2020? Nah, man, we're living moment to moment. Now I'm about 10 feet away, I think. Wow, I'm back. Is this the tech review that anyone wanted? No. Is it the one that I'm giving you? Yes. I'm going to then go outside. It's a little windy outside, but you know what? Cool, we're gonna see what that looks like. We're not gonna put the dead cat on, but we are leaving the foam windscreen on, so we'll see how that works. So now I am outside. I'm obviously holding this just with my arm, so it's an arm's length away if that matters to you. I have not changed the settings from when I was inside the house. It's a lot less windy outside than I was expecting, but I am outside with no shoes and no jacket because this is sort of forethought that 2020 Amanda has, and hopefully 2021 Amanda will be better because I am cold, man. So I'm not going to go out into the middle of the yard to see if it's windier for you guys. I'm just not. But I don't know, there's some traffic going on the other side of the house. I don't know if I'm close enough to it that this microphone would pick up any of that, but hopefully this will show you sort of what this mic can pick up. I am under this roof and on concrete, so sound is jumping a bit, but I don't know, hopefully it sounds fine. The lighting out here is really good today, and I am now regretting not doing a better video, but hopefully this has helped you guys at least a little bit. I suggest going to other YouTube channels that have reviewed this microphone because they will be much better at explaining this microphone than me. And despite what my grandma thinks, I'm not that techie. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of 2020 and hope your 2021 is better. Yeah, goodbye.